Hi again. Today you'll listen to 5 real-life conversations in English to help you speak more naturally. I'm James, and this is Talkie English.
Excuse me. I think this is my seat.
Oh, really? Because my ticket says it's here.
Let's see. Number 18. B, right?
Yes, 18B.
Then I have 18A.
But mine says window.
Wait, mine also says window.
Huh? But there can't be 2 windows.
Exactly. Maybe they changed the bus.
Could be. These long buses always mix things up.
One moment. I'll check again.
Okay, I'll check too.
Oh, wait. I'm looking at my old ticket.
Ah, there we go. I knew something was wrong.
The new one is 19A.
Ah, so this one is mine then.
Yes, looks like it. Sorry for the confusion.
No worries, it happens to everyone.
Ugh, what an embarrassment.
Hey, at least we didn't start arguing.
True, and this bus is long. I'll find my seat.
Okay, have a good trip then.
You too, have a good trip.
And thanks for the smile.
Oh, sure. It's good to start the trip in a nice way.
Good evening. Sorry, there's a small problem with my room.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What kind of problem, sir?
Well, the keycard doesn't work, or maybe I'm using it wrong.
Ah, that happens a lot. It's room 302, right?
Yes, 302.
Let's see. Oh, it says 203 here, not 302.
Huh? But I read 302, I'm sure.
Look here. It's a little faded, see?
Oh wow, you're right. It is a 2.
It happens. This printer is always giving us trouble.
So, I was trying to open the wrong door.
Well, a little bit, yes. But don't worry. 302 is empty today.
Ah, I just hope nobody thought I wanted to go inside.
No. No one noticed. Only the door went huh and nothing else.
Haha, okay. So my room is 203.
Yes, and this keycard works. I promise.
Thanks, really. I feel a bit silly now.
Oh no, it's normal. First day in a hotel is always a little confusing.
True. Thanks for your patience.
Of course. I hope you sleep well tonight.
I will. With the right room, at least.
There you go. Have a good evening.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Oh, thanks. Good morning.
You're Maria, right?
Yes. Maria, I'm from the Philippines.
Great. Have you worked in private homes before?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years in Chicago, cleaning and some cooking.
Ah, nice. Do you prefer mornings or afternoons?
Morning is better. I work more calm.
I see. Can you use gentle cleaning products? We have old furniture.
Yes, of course. I always clean slow.
Very good. And ironing. How do you feel about that?
Ah, ironing. Yes, I like it too.
Perfect. Do you have a fixed day off?
Sunday if possible, but we can talk, okay?
No, that's perfect. Sunday works for us too.
Ah, thank you. I feel more relaxed.
Last thing, can you start this week?
Yes, ma'am. Even tomorrow if you want.
Oh, great. Everything seems clear to me.
Good. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Maria. I like your energy.
Ah, thank you so much. I'll do my best.
Then we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, yes, see you tomorrow, madam.
Hello. Good morning. My boiler isn't starting anymore.
Good morning, madam. It doesn't switch on at all.
No, it goes tick tick and then nothing.
I see. Have you tried restarting it?
I think so. I pressed the big button.
The red one or the black one?
It was red. Maybe I shouldn't have.
No, it's fine. Just checking.
But now the light is flashing.
Green or amber?
Amber, very fast.
Ah, okay. That's usually low pressure.
Oh dear, it always happens when it's cold.
Yes, unfortunately. Can you look at the pressure gauge? It's a small dial with numbers.
Wait, yes, I see it. It says 0.6.
Yeah, that's too low. It needs to reach 1.
And how do I do that? I'm a bit scared.
Don't worry. It's easy. Do you see a little blue valve under the boiler?
Yes, a small one.
Good. Open it slowly. Just a little.
Oh, I hear a whistle.
Perfect. When it gets to 1, close it right away.
Wait, 1. I'm closing.
Great. Well done. Now try to switch it on.
It turned on.
There we go. All sorted.
Thank you, really. I already imagined a disaster.
No disaster today.
Thanks. Now I can take a hot shower.
Much better. Have a good day, madam.
Have a good day to you too.
Hi, I need help with my electricity and gas services.
Sure. What's going on?
My last bill was much higher than usual, and I don't understand why.
I see. That can be stressful. Want to check what might have changed?
Yes, because I never pay that much. I thought it was a mistake.
Sometimes it goes up because of higher usage or a change in the plan. Did anything feel different this month?
No, I don't think so. I'm just a bit confused.
Don't worry. You can check your monthly usage on your online account. Do you know how to log in?
Yes, but I didn't know where to look.
There's usually a section called Usage or History. You can see if something increased.
Okay, and if my plan isn't good for me, can I change it?
It depends on the provider, but many let you request a change online or through customer support.
Oh, thanks. I feel better now.
I'm glad. If you want to check anything else, I'm here.
Hey! Great job! You finished this video, and your practice is really paying off. Every day you understand English a little better. If you want to keep improving, check out this other video I'm leaving here. You'll love it. See you there.